Problem number 4. A 16-foot ladder leans against a house at an angle of 60 degrees from level ground, shown below. So here's your acute angle right here. Here's your ladder, 16 foot, that's leaning against the house, and that ladder and this ground form this angle, 60 degrees. So remember, the buildings are always perpendicular to the ground, so there's your 90 here, so this is hypotenuse. The two sides that form the acute, one's hypotenuse, the other one's adjacent. Okay, this is opposite. Which is the closest to the vertical distance? Vertical distance is this piece here. We need to let that be x. That's the side we have to find from the top of the ladder to the ground. What trig function now do we use? That's why it's important to label these sides opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Get those labeled, because we have to work with opposite and hypotenuse, right? Because we have to find x, and we're given this piece, the hypotenuse. So opposite, hypotenuse uses sine. So sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse, x over 16 comma x. Finish that problem.